Hello guys, welcome to back update for Internet. Today we are going to implement the list view implementation in the Flutter. Today we are going to implement on this view. You can see here we have the view. On that view we have the one card view, right? On the inside the card view we have two elements inside the row. One is the on the right hand side there is an image. On the left hand side we have one column, right? Inside the column we have the two text. So and at the end of the video I'll give you the GitHub link so you can go through by the code as well. VS Code, I just prepared the first project. I will remove the unwanted content first. Here is the counter app. I will remove these all counter stops here. Okay, in our scaffold we don't need anything. I'll remove everything from here. In the body I just put only the container for now, and for the more convenient and easy to see, I will remove this everything from here. This I will make it as a separate widget. This is my home page. I will make here new folder, pages, and make it as a home page dot. I'll put everything here, and if it's not, I need to import material dot widget. Then I'll remove this all comment. Okay guys, then this is our first project. Then we have to import this as well, and see here, if we import like this, then even we change our package name, it's not make any effect on our project because it is not importing any package name here. Okay, I'll remove this as well. I'll remove this as a Flutter list view and Flutter list view. Okay, then the next thing is we need to have firstly we'll create some demo list, then we'll implement as a list of the movies and we'll implement. Okay, then we need to run this project, how it look like now. I'll just launch it first, then let's see. I launched it on my project, it look like this. Okay, now we are going to implement the rest of the steps here. First things we have to do here is we need to have a list view first, then we'll create inside a constructor. We'll make the child, and the child is list builder. Okay, then item builder, it take the one first one is context and the index, right? Then we have to return something here, right? First I'm going to return container. Okay, then this class also receive it's received the item count. Suppose I put here 5 for now, and container I just make the make dummy, right? Just decoration, box decoration, color for now, colors red. When I run this, I see here nothing, right? Because we didn't put any height for this container. I put the 10 dp, right? Then you can see it's very bad and there is no any space between the container, right? I put this 20, and for this problem we can make it as this separated, right? Because in each and every iteration it's maintain the gap. Then separation builder, then we can get the context1 and index1. Then we have to return a view container. Okay, container, let's go height only then 10 and nothing else. Okay, then you can see here very nice view, right? Then we may increase this height, and the one more thing, we need to have some padding here. Then pairing is inserted symmetric, vertical 10 and horizontal 10. Here this one is the constant, then we can make it as const, right? And here we can also increase this like 60. And here the next thing is we can for the child, it's the box tag. Okay, child here, the child should be the row, right? And children, I'm just removing this the color from, okay, I'll do later. For children, one is the, I'll put first the logo, right? Okay. Icons that okay, for now I'll put just play button, place. Okay, how it look like that. Okay, I'll put this color as color state white. Okay, it's looking like this. Okay, and it's under children is should be the text. The text should be movie name. Okay, it will like that. And for this text we have here one more, that is because I'm making the customized list view here, right? Then movie name along with the description, so I wrap with the column. Then I'll make another wizard here, and the next one is should be the the movie description, right? Okay, here it is. I'll make this, minimize this one a little bit. Okay, it did not look pretty good, right? For this row, cross axis element there is start, right? Then it should be in the top, right? Okay, and I'll give the rest of all space to this column. Then I'll make this as an expanded widget. Then rest of the whatever space left here, the another widget take all the space here. Then on this row, then we have this column, right? And cross axis element that will make it as a start. Then all the items sit here. Then we'll have some space here. Then we can use size box. Yes. Then width should be the 20 pixel. Okay, then it should be like this, and we'll get some margin from the top, right? For this container we'll get padding is insisted all, then we'll get the 10 from the other side, then 18, looking pretty good. Then the next thing we'll do have then some design for this container, right? Then we can do for this container, we can have box decoration. Okay, rather than that we can use this card view, right? Card, then we are not using anything else here. Then it is looking like this, and we can color for this color that black with opacity 1. Okay, it is looking like that, and it padding, then it is not providing any padding. Then we wrap with this with 0 widget with the padding. Okay, we'll get the 10 pixel as a padding, right? Okay, for now we have only the static data. We are going to get some dynamic data where actually I will gonna make one here folder. The name of folder asserts. Okay, inside the assert I will add some images, right? Okay, for this I'll copy some images to here. We have some images here. I'll copy all this. Okay, copy all these images, and I'll get inside this folder. I'll paste here, not like this. I'll go here and paste all the images here. The next thing we can see here, we have the all this. So we can set the path for the images, right? Then we can uncomment this code. Then we have the folder is asserts, right? Then it will automatically access to the path. Okay, then the next thing is I'm going to make one class here, name it called the utils folder. Inside the util folders, then assert strings dot. Okay, here I make the class assert strings. The C should be decimal. Assert strings. Okay, the first one is string. One is okay. What we have here? Avatar is equals to. Then we can give the path of our movie. Okay, assert slash avatar .jpg. Okay, in this way we'll do all of things to easy access. We create one model here. Inside the model we have movies model dot file, then class movies, right? Then inside the string we have the first one is the title string, then second one is the description, third one is the string, third one is the we have image, right? Then we make the constructor movies, then we make as name parameter, description, this image, and this title, right? We have this file. Okay, the next thing we'll make one list here, right? Then inside the list here we can make one list. The name of the list is movies, type is the movies, right? Movies. Okay, then we can create the list here. Firstly we have to import this file here. We import it, and movies, we get the movies, the title we can put here, description we can put here, image we can assert string.avatar, right? Then we'll fill it now, right? Now we have this movie list, right? We have around 9 or 10 movie lists. Then we have to set this list inside this view. Okay, first things we have to do here is the item count. The item count should be the length of the movies. We set it here. The next thing, we can prepare one more variable inside the loop, right? This list is a loop, then we name it the movie, and the value of this movie is the index of the movie list, right? The next thing is we have to change this as a movie that title, and the next thing is the description as the movie dot description, right? Then we set it here. It should be like this. It's pretty nice. Now then we need to change this image as well. Image, then image dot asset, right? The image dot asset, then the movie dot image dot to is string. Okay, then it should be like this because we didn't provide any height or width, that's why it's spread all the screen, right? Then we provide height 60, or can with 70, then the width should be 50. Okay, then it should be like this one. The next thing we can do, we can fit its cover, fit box fit dot cover, right? Then it should be like this one. Then we can play with this font size or font width as well. Then we can make it const, then the editor will be removed. Then we can provide a style text style. We can give the font size is to be 20, and font weight bold. Okay, then we can make it as a const as well because it's the constant one. And for the description we can make it 18 is okay. Okay, the description is okay. Now this is our final list view implementation. Thank you so much guys for the watching. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to leave a comment so that I can understand what I need to further tutorials, and also follow my GitHub. I will leave the link in the description. Thank you so much.